Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow camera access on the X Twitter app after it has been updated. If you're having trouble accessing your camera on Twitter, follow these simple steps to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down and accessing the Settings icon. Next, navigate to the Applications section in your Settings menu. Here, you will need to search for the X Twitter application. Once you have found it, select it to view its settings. Within the X Twitter app settings, locate the Permissions option. This is where you can manage the permissions granted to the app. Ensure that the camera permission is enabled for the X Twitter app. If it is already enabled, you should not have any issues accessing your camera within the app. If the camera permission is not enabled, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This will allow the X Twitter app to access your device's camera. After enabling the camera permission, it is important to restart the X Twitter app. This will ensure that the changes take effect and that you can now use the camera within the app. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can successfully allow camera access on the X Twitter app after it has been updated. Enjoy capturing and sharing moments on Twitter with ease. Thank you for watching.